Hey, what's up, MC family? How's it going? This is Matt, and I'm just want to go over some winter emergencies. I know it's a lot going on out here, and it's a lot happening right now, and it's just a few tips. So for me, it's more on a preparation side. So preparing yourself mentally, preparing yourself actually for, if this were to happen to you, because it's not going to happen to everybody. But one thing I know is preparation is everything. So if you're prepared, you'll be able to remain calm and know what to do. And that's what it's all about. One of the things I definitely want to talk about is just if you were trapped in your car, all right, you don't know what to do. You're in there, your seatbelt is buckled in, you're panicking, all right, you ran into a lake or something. What could you do? First, remain calm, all right, unbuckle your seatbelt, lean your seat back, and take your headrests off, because a lot of our headrests have glass breakers. So you could use these actually from your headrest, but you got to lean back, remain calm, pull your head seat up, and then bust your window. All right. So that you can hopefully go ahead, swim out of the window and go ahead about your day. Because once the water go, but so far the pressure from the water, you won't be able to just kick it in and do all that. So it'll allow you to get out, remain calm, remain safe, be good. And you can use the same thing if you're in a turned over car. All right. I know that may be a little rough, a little tougher, but you're going to need two tools. All right. And that is possibly if you can't get your seatbelt undone, you need a seatbelt cutter, or also that glass breaker. So it'll be easier if you had those tools separate from just trying to take your headrest off, which I do believe that you should have at least both of those in your glove compartment, because they're real small, they're portable. You really don't need they don't take up a lot of space. So it's something that you can actually use to benefit you, and in case you are in that situation, or if you're on the road and it's happening to someone else, you'll be able to help them if it's safe enough for you to do so. One of the big things, learning how to change a tire. All right. I mean, it's so simple, but a lot of people don't know how to do it. And I think that should be like basis. Like once you're out of high school, you drive, you need to learn how to change your own tire. You need to know how, or at least have the tools to change a tire in case someone happens to stop by on the road and help you out, that you at least have the tools to be able to help yourself. And there's so many videos on YouTube. There's so many things and ways to books, everything on how to do this. Is simple steps, and all it takes is you one day you're not doing nothing, go ahead, take your tire off, take it on, take it off, take it on, and that way you're prepared, because it's like one of those things you don't forget. Once you do it once or twice, it's one of those things you really don't forget, because when you're in those situations, you hit a flat, anything, you're going to remember all that stuff, going to kick back in, and you're like, okay, I got this, and just work at it. Set a reminder. Like I said, this video is all about preparation, you being prepared for if these things happen. The likely chance of these things happening to you are not very high, but if they do, you want to be prepared to be able to handle those situations, to be able to put yourself in a better position to keep driving forward. It's not a delay, it's just an inconvenience, and you know how to handle it, and you're not panicking, you're not in an uproar about it. So set a reminder on your phone at least once a month to go over your drills, to know that, okay, if I get trapped in the car, oh, this is what I do. I'm gonna lay my seat back, I'm gonna remain calm, get my seatbelt off, I'm gonna get that headrest off. Or if you got a glass breaker, have it in your glove box, or a seatbelt cutter. Have those two tools in your glove box or in your middle console, so you know where they at in case those do happen. I mean, you're going to panic. In a way, you're going to panic, but knowing where that stuff at, because you practice, you took, that time once a month, that you set a reminder on your phone to go ahead and make it happen. All right. So this stuff is so simple, so easy, and it's going to benefit you, or if you have passengers with you, to be able to help them out. 5 tools I believe everyone should have in a car is you got to have jumper cables. All right. A seatbelt cutter, a glass breaker, a flashlight, and a tire changing set. So that normally consists of a jack, a lug nut tool to help you get the lug nuts off the tire so you can pull them off. Anything else is, well, first aid kit. Yes, definitely a first aid kit. Yes, so 6. All right, that's bonus on 6. So having that first aid kit is definitely crucial. You never know what can happen or what will happen, but being prepared is the key. And when you're prepared, you just feel better, especially when you're on the road, because it's your duty as a driver, as a person who took the responsibility to go ahead and it makes you feel good knowing that in case I get in these situations, in case I'm in these situations, I know how to either help someone, which is the best thing when you're able to help someone, but also I know for myself, for my family, in case anything happens on the road, in case anything happens out there, that I am ready, I'm set, I'm prepared, and I'm ready to go. And I know it's so much going on right now, especially with all these winter storms and snow and ice and everything else. So definitely be safe out there. Look, nothing is in such a rush that you have to, not practice safety. All right. Practice safety, be prepared, and you got this. Everything's gonna be all right, fam. We out here praying. We know if you have any tools, you have any things, suggestions that people need to have in their car, make sure you comment below. Comment below right now, because you're doing something even greater, and that's helping someone else who may have not thought of it. You may be helping me. I may not have thought of something, in these trying times and in these ways where people are really out here, they're not prepared. So let's get everybody hip, let's get everybody ready. And it's been great, fam. I hope you take these tips, share them, go ahead, comment, like, subscribe, and we got you. We out here, fam. Peace.